Sarap ng itlog. Today is June 18, 2007 and this is my wife, Hazel. We're celebrating our 4th year wedding anniversary here in Estero Beach Hotel, Mexico.
Magtikman mo lang. Para patikin ko
Sarap.
lang sa'yo yung...
Siya yung asawa ko.
Sino pa bang iba?
Mabait na asawa.
Oo, syempre.
We're eating breakfast here
Bulok
at our
kasi.
cottage. This is our cottage. And the cottage has a garage over there. See my Murano and see us. It's very nice. See? Our giant bougainvillea on the back. Expensive hotel. $300 per night. Okay?
Okay.
There you are. I love you.